Students, now we are going to work out exercise 4. Prepare capital accounts of Padmini and Padma under fluctuating capital method. Okay, so this one sum we are going to do in fluctuating capital method. So what is the rule for this? Under fluctuating capital method, only one account has to be opened, that is partners capital account. That means who are all the partners? Padmini and Padma. Okay, see the question goes like this, children. On January 1st, 2018, capital account shows credit balance. You got me? Padma is bringing a capital of 5 lakhs, Padmini is bringing a capital of 5 lakhs and Padma is bringing a capital of 4 lakhs. That year they are making drawings. Padmini is drawing 70,000, Padma is drawing 40,000. So they are paying interest to the firm, that is 2,000 and 1,000. They are getting share of profit 52,000 and 40,000. The firm is giving capital to them 30,000 and 24,000 they are receiving, and Padmini is receiving a salary 45,000. Padma is receiving a commission 21,000. So this is the sum. So now all these details will come in one particular account, that is partners capital account. Hope you understood this question. We will proceed with the sum. Students, now this is a solution for exercise 4. Okay, prepare capital account of Padmini and Padma under fluctuating capital method. So we have opened the partners capital account. See the heading I have given, date particulars Padmini and Padma on the debit side. Similarly, date particulars Padmini and Padma on the credit side I have given. So keep the question with you, children, then only you can understand the sum. Now first entry, as per the format, we want to write the opening capital balance, isn't it not? So we have to go to the credit side and then write, the date is given as 1/1/2018. So by balance brought down, the amount is 5 lakhs for Padmini and 4 lakhs for Padma. Okay students, next what item we want to write? All other items will be written in the same account only. You have to check whether additional capital is there. Additional capital is not there. Okay, then you can start proceeding by entering the other entries which has to be recorded in the credit side. So the next item, by interest on capital. Interest on capital, the amount is 30,000 and 24,000. Next item you can write, by salary, Padmini is receiving a salary of 45,000 and Padma is not receiving salary. Next item, by commission, Padmini is not receiving any commission, Padma is receiving 21,000. Next, share of profits, they both are receiving 52,000 and 40,000 respectively. So these are the items that has to be entered in the credit side of the partners capital account. Now there is drawings and interest on drawings, so we want to enter it in the debit side. So I'm going to write drawings here. So 2 drawings, the amount is 70,000 and 40,000. 2 interest on drawings, there is an amount of 2,000 and 1,000. Hope you are able to understand, children. Now all the items are entered. So only one account in fluctuating capital method, that is all the sum. Now we want to balance the partners account. So first let us balance the Padmini's account. So you get a total of 6,27,000 here. Next, for Padma, you are getting a capital of 4,85,000. Now total Padmini's account and find out the balance. That will be your balance carried down. So this is your balancing figure. So for Padmini you get 5,55,000, and for Padma you want to total 4,85,000 and subtract this 5,000 from here, you get 4,44,000. And likewise you want to close their accounts by putting the same amount on either side. And then you want to bring the balance to the next year. So by balance carried down, that is 5,55,000 and 4,44,000. Okay children, you would have seen that regarding date I have not given much importance, because all the transaction will be done on the admission date only. So here nothing is mentioned about the admission date. For particular date alone we have to open one column. Okay children, so possibly we can write the opening date. Okay, so the transaction which will be closed only on the 31st of that accounting period. Okay children, so nothing wrong if you don't write the date also. For the sake of format I have written and I have just entered it for you. Okay children, so that is all children. Hope you understand this sum.